In this video, I'm going to be showing how to replace the kidneys on your E92 or E93 BMW. The process is similar for the E90 and E91, the only main difference being that there is a top portion of the kidney on the clip. So the first step here is going to be to remove the 4 screws on the very top of the bumper. And what this is going to do is allow you to reach inside and pry open the clips that are keeping the kidney grills on. And so you're going to utilize either an 8mm Allen wrench for this or a T30 Torx screwdriver, depending on what toolkit you're using. And just be gentle with these. You don't want to thread them in or be too rough with them taking them out because it's just in plastic there. So for this part, I tried first with the first kidney and just got it to the point where I could take it out and figure out the best way to do so. And then moving over to the second kidney, I kind of had a better sense for what is the best approach. And what I figured out is on the kidney itself, there are clips that you can push down, and it allows you to get the clip out of this plastic opening that's attached to the bumper. And so what you're going to want to do is push that clip together so that you can slide it through that opening in the bumper. And once you've pushed those clips together and slightly pushed it in the opening there, you're going to want to switch to the front side and just try and fully separate it from that clip. And then you can do this individually for each of the clips on there. As you can see here, I had a little better luck with that second clip than the first. Some are easier than others. And then once you actually get them detached, you just got to make sure they don't accidentally slip back in while you're working on the other clips. And that's something I dealt with once or twice there. But as you can see here, I'm about to get this side one out, and then once you have that interior side clip out, or rather the exterior side clip, it becomes a lot easier. You can just pull the rest of the clips out. So I have 3 of the 6 out, and then I'm just gonna get those bottom ones out as well here. And then from there, it's just a matter of pulling it fully out. So since this is typically a pretty hard area to clean, definitely take this opportunity to just take a wipe and get as much dirt out of there as you possibly can. You don't have to spend too much time on this, but it's very satisfying how much cleaner it can look just by taking a few seconds to wipe it off. So as far as the installation of these kidneys go, you're going to want to make sure that you align the clips before actually pushing it in. And that's because these clips are all very fragile since they're made of plastic and they're very thin to be able to fit in the spaces in the bumper. And so you want to line up each clip before actually pushing the kidney in as a whole, because if you only align one at a time, what you're going to find is that it's hard to align the others and they won't all just line up right away. So make sure they're all aligned before pushing it in, but then just kind of work with it once you have it going in and make sure they're all clipped in there. Alright, and then a very simple finish to this install is just to put those 4 screws right back into the top of the bumper there. Make sure it's all aligned as it should be. Again, this is all in plastic, so you don't want to be stripping anything. Be careful screwing these back in, but besides that, it's a very easy process to finish the job, and you have the satisfaction of beautiful new kidneys on your E90 or an E92 BMW. So now that that's all done, here's a final look at the kidneys fully installed on the car. I think the black really cleans up the look and makes it look a little more modern. And then here's a look back at the car with chrome on the kidneys. I think it doesn't look great with the silver, and chrome in general doesn't look great on cars. So So that said, thank you all so much for watching, and go ahead and subscribe to join me in the next one.